Man, what's good, YouTube, man? It's the kid tapping in with a video, a little vlog for y'all boys. So, man, I gotta go pick up my cousin and my homeboy from the airport, man. So, we finna got down. We ain't taking a slab. That's two. We going all the way to Houston, so we ain't taking a slab. We ain't taking a jag. We gonna take that big body bitch, man. This how I'm vlogging from now on, man. But yeah, we gonna go pick them boys up. We gonna get straight to it, man. I got the little shit for y'all boys tomorrow. So we got a house tour tomorrow, 3-story luxury house by downtown Houston. Then I got another I'm gonna try to get at least 4 videos for y'all, man. I'm finally getting my shit right, man. We finna hit the road. Let's see how much gas I got in this bitch, man. 350 miles, bro. It take 100 something to get there. Alright, bro, so the boy just text me, man. The boys at A. Ooh, hey, I'm excited, man. I get to see the guys, bro. It's been a long ass time, man. We lit this weekend. I swear to God, it's a movie. I swear. But them boys at A, man, we on the way to A right now, man. I'm gonna probably pick up the camera when I get in A, cause I ain't want to waste no time. I ain't finna make this video too long, you feel me? Ah! Oh my God, how the flight was? What's good? Bro, I ain't seen y'all niggas in forever, bro. Ah! God damn, this nigga strong. Alright, come on, bro. Bro, I've been vlogging this whole shit, bro. I swear to God.
That's so lit, bro. I'm so ready.
I got some 12. Look at my beat up ass shit, bro.
The hoop shoes.
Bro, my homeboy asked if y'all wanted the hoop. I like, we gonna
bring no shoes.
That's what I said. I said we gonna get back late. Y'all niggas ain't got no shoes on. Planes big as fuck over there.
I was not about to wear no hooping shoes. The whole
Take this
flight.
neck pillow off.
How that shit? That was your first flight?
Man.
I was up the whole flight.
I was chilling, bro.
Man, I be sleep on them bitches. On God, I be sleep.
You couldn't tell I was asleep, though.
Man, Lewis
Nigga had them shades on.
They couldn't tell, yeah. Nigga
Bro, we
couldn't
got
tell.
like a 3-hour drive, bro.
I'm ready to
It
go.
probably like 2 something, bro.
I gon' say that's 'cause I can't forget her. Ain't drinking with a bartender. Told her mama she not a stripper.
We done made it to the fucking city vlog, man. We done made it out the group chat, on God. On God, nigga, we finna bust through 6th Street. This is nigga first time. It's your first time in Texas, ain't it?
Yeah, big dog.
Oh God, this nigga first time in Texas. I ain't even gonna tell y'all where we at. Y'all gotta guess in the comments and shit, man. Guess where we at. I cash out y'all niggas $100 if y'all guess where I'm at right now. Oh God. Yeah, we probably finna hit some scooters, hit 6th Street, and I'm probably gonna end this vlog later when we slide out these bitches something, man. Finna hop on these scooters and shit right quick though. No doubt. Ugly. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Get through that bit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah, we getting through that bitch, man. We finna hit 6th Street. I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get back. That bitch holding for sure.
Meal.
Hold on. Let me .5 that bitch. Alright, go ahead.
Hey, first meal, steak taco.
Yeah.
Cilantro, all that. You feel me?
In the city,
Yeah,
man.
off 6th Street, you know? Tight shit. Let me see what they talking
Tight
about.
shit.
Hold on. Before I bite that mug.
Oh yeah. Gotta get that bitch
Before I
on
bite
there.
that mug.
Tight shit.
Alright. Now let's see what that motherfucker talking about.
What that sauce is right there?
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know, big dog.
Tight shit. That bitch here? Damn.
I never knew. Come on, mama.
That bitch here? Tight shit.
Come on, mama.
That's where this motherfucker from. Come find this motherfucker. Right off 6.
You ain't gonna barely tell me.
That bitch talking about a little something.
You got a little something on there.
Damn. Hey, P. That's a whole different nigga. With a whole I ain't even gonna put that shit. Hey, P as hell. Tight shit, tight shit. Well, I'm gonna fall off this bitch.
You gotta stop.
But it be like a movie. Yes, sir. Niggas on them scooties going nothing. Got the guys behind me, man. I told y'all boys I'ma drop, nigga. Man, y'all better go do what y'all need to do on this video right here. In the next one, in the next one, you know what I'm saying? They get right. What the fuck? Do that shit again.
Yeah, I'll do a trick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'ma goddamn fuck with y'all boys tomorrow, man. When we get this the house tour out the way and shit, man. I'ma fuck with y'all boys though. Y'all niggas stay tuned, I swear. Appreciate y'all niggas for tuning in. Though y'all already know what the fuck to do. Like, comment, all that extra shit, man. They get to their money, man. Bro, this bitch so raw, bro. I ain't even vlog.
Oh, this the half bath.
This the hell. Come on. Get up that bitch. Get up that bitch. What this is?
Wash and dryer.
But how you turn the lights on in this bitch?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Bro, look at this bitch, bro!
Hey, I'm using this.
Oh my fucking god!
What other room at?
Hey, I'm using
Let
this.
me put this bitch in .5. Bro, yeah, we second.
We got one more.
We got one more.
Oh, that's it then. This the roof.
Oh my god. Bro.
Oh yeah, that's it. And this it. Hey, this
Oh my gosh. Oh my fucking god, nigga. Nigga, look at this shit.
Oh my!
Hey, this
I gotta use the bathroom.
How you turn this bitch on?
Rocket Stadium.
Oh my god. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. Ooh.
I'll take third.
Ooh.
I'm about to go pee.
Hey, this it, bro.
Oh my god, nigga. Oh my fucking god. Bro, this bitch so raw. Bro, we done left the door, huh? We done left the door open, nigga. Then they got the little connect shit. Bro, Omar.
Hey, this hard.
Omar, this bitch raw, bro. I swear to God.
Hey, I'm gonna save her, bro.
Man, what?
I gotta bring somebody.
Man, get her 5 stars on this bitch, nigga.
I'm about to rate her.
Woo! Woo! Vlog, we made it to the townhouse. I ain't gonna count. Oh yeah, big garage in this. Big guy. Bro, imagine the SS right here, nigga. Corvette. Woo! Bro, oh my, this bitch. Bro, that's what I'm saying. Nigga, we could probably fit 3 of them bitches in this motherfucker. Bro, you can't tell me this hoe ain't hard, bro. Which one is it? The hot, the
Extra hot.
Extra hot. Before the Reaper. I know that bitch hot. That bitch gonna kick in a minute. That bitch hot.
I shouldn't have swallowed.
Oh shit. Man, what's good, vlog? Man, nigga just left turkey leg hut. Them boys got a turkey leg hut. Them boys finna try this motherfucker. See what it's hitting on.
I got crawfish, mac and cheese,
That shit sound good.
And I got some dirty rice.
Dirty rice.
I got all that without.
And the famous turkey leg.
So I'm guessing it's just a big ass turkey leg. Fat ass turkey leg. Damn.
Hey, open this up quick.
Cheese.
Oh, I see a piece of crawfish right here. Hold on.
With some dirty rice.
See what that shit talking about.
And she got all that shit talking about.
That be hitting?
I'm just gonna show y'all the quick reaction.
Alright, man.
Fucking make it.
That be hit.
Oh my god. Oh.
That shit good, bro.
Oh my god.
Crawfish mac? I never thought about no crawfish mac, bro. Alright, what y'all rate that motherfucker, bro?
Turkey leg hot.
Turkey leg hut, man. 10.
Oh my mom.
It's a 10, bro.
10. Crawfish mac and cheese and the turkey leg.
You open it and smell it.
This shit fucking, this ain't no juice. Black crab. Fat crab.
Oh, this one ain't bad, huh?
You can't take the alcohol? You can't? Okay. My shit, bro. That's crazy. I don't know what the fuck they did with my shit.
Nah, this is straight.
Drink. Moonshine. Smoking. Go ahead. Kill that bitch, man. 2, 1. To the doggy, nigga.
Thinking about life. Oh shit.
You felt that bitch? Number 2. Moonshine number 2. That bitch say drunk on that hoe.
That's what I'm finna be. That's what I'm finna be.
Come on, bro. Get through there.
3.
Bro, don't throw up, bro. Don't throw up, bro. You ain't gotta drink the whole shit, twin. This nigga drank the whole shit. That shit hurt, bro.
No, you meant drink.
Look at my shit on this hoe. Dude! He threw! I'm on stand up. Get the water, bro. Hey, whoever goes to sleep first, they getting that water. Who? They getting that water. Dude, they getting that water. Bro, Ty. That's why. Why you so close to the... Bro, this nigga is dude, bro. But he done finished his own cup. Finish this. Two shots of these bitches. Goddamn. Don't run, twin. Where you going? I'm finna spray her ass. Man, you ain't doing nothing with this
Yes,
bitch.
I am. Stop. Let me see. Stop.
Wow, bro. You good, bro?
Open the door. Y'all can't go in there, bro. I'm gonna throw it myself.
This nigga locked the door. Well, he on the toilet. Hey, this nigga on the toilet. Hey, oh my god.
I can't even smell. I got COVID, twin. But Lou, I got COVID. That's not funny.
Wait me.
Lucky right here. Just in case you don't make it, bro. I'ma leave the bathroom doors open. Oh God, open the toilet up, all that shit.
That's somebody that like ain't nothing happening.
Oh. So we went to the burger joint. Got a chocolate shake. Good burger. This a medium rare.
right.
How you got your burger?
Got that burger joint. The burger joint, that's what it's called.
Yep.
Fuck around and eat me a nice little regular classic shit. I got me a
barbecue.
medium well.
You got the barbecue.
Got medium well, you feel me? Type shit. Type
Medium
shit.
well. That been hitting.
It's decent. I fuck with it. I fuck with it.
I like how that you can choose how you want your burgers, bro. Like medium well, medium rare, well done.
Medium well.
Medium. I got my shit medium rare because that's how I eat my steak.
Medium well?
Yeah.
Medium well.
That shit good, bro. You got the tenders. Oh God, burger joint.
It's like a steak, no?
Sheesh. Man, them boy gone, man. Them boy gone.
I did it, man.
Oh God.
Back soon.
Oh God. Next trip.
Very soon.
Next trip and goddamn.
Very soon.
I don't know where the next trip at. Where y'all gonna see.
Very soon.
It's the end of this motherfucking vlog. Them boys leaving, man. I'm finna go back to the B&B, check out and shit. I'm gonna fuck with y'all boys, man. This the end of this motherfucker.
We gonna have to go.
Oh God.